Edo Modular Refinery don ready to begin operations. Obaseki na im tok dis one. Edo State Governor Mr. Godwin Obaseki say Edo Modular Refinery wey Edo Refinery and Petrochemical Company Limited (ERPC) develop with support from Edo State Government for Ologbo Ikpoba-Awka local government area for the state don ready to start operations. Obaseki tok dis one wen im and the managing director Mr. Tim Tian carry waka round the facilities. E say im travel go China 3 years ago to sign the Memorandum of Understanding (MOU) and e dey very impressed with the way things dey go as the plant don ready to receive crude oil.
This is my first time of visiting this complex, even though we agreed and went to China about 3 years ago to sign the MOU. So you see MOUs work. And like you, I'm sure very impressed that work has moved at such a speed in spite of the disruptions caused by COVID-19. The plant is ready to receive crude oil, it's ready to process, and it's ready to deliver products. They have done the pre-commissioning with the Department of Petroleum Resources that have certified the refinery as okay. And what we have left now is to finalize the crude sales contract. This facility has to get a certain type of crude from the Escravos line. That is being finalized, and I hope that before the end of August, we should start lifting products from this facility. From the urban planning and regional planning we are currently embarking on, I believe that Ologbo in a few years' time will not be called a rural community. This is going to be an industrial community.
The traditional ruler of Ologbo community, His Royal Highness Prince Owen Akenzua, say e dey glad as dem put that kind project for im community.
That a project of this magnitude is being sited here in Ologbo. My people are ecstatic that such project will go in no small measure to the social economic development of Ologbo Dukedom. And of course, the governor has this project dear to his heart. Not only this project, there's also the power plant situated right here in Ologbo that's capable of generating power for the immediate environment and the state at large. So we are glad that a project such of this magnitude is sited here.
The managing director of Edo Modular Refinery, Mr. Tim Tian, come praise the governor as he make the project dey possible.
Actually, due to COVID-19 pandemic, it's quite a challenge for us to construct the commissioning. So during last year, the February, we start to work it out, but the lockdown, the whole nation. So we keep trying to overcome this challenge. And thank you for the governor to fully support us, so we can keep working and community support. Everyone, all the Nigerian workers are very good. So Nigerian workers, Chinese. Thank God we have rent test all the equipment for almost 2 months to make sure everything is okay. So now we are waiting for the DPR come for pre-commissioning inspection for the end of next week. So after that inspection, we are ready for introducing crude. If we bring in crude today, we can produce tomorrow.
The ogbonge people wey tanda for the inspection na Edo State Governor Mr. Godwin Obaseki, Secretary to State Government Osarodion Oge Esquire, Chief of Staff to Mr. Governor Honorable Saigbovo Iyoa, Chairman Edo Refinery and Petrochemical Limited (ERPC) Mr. Mike Osimi, Managing Director ERPC Mr. Tim Tian, the traditional ruler of Ologbo community His Royal Highness Prince Owen Akenzua, among others. This one na the ogbonge informate wey TMC TV carry come give una on top the koko for today. My name na Chidima Anichukwu from Benin.